Introduction to the world of online graphic design. Welcome to the exciting world of online graphic design, where creativity meets opportunity. In today's digital age, the demand for visually stunning and captivating designs has skyrocketed, opening up a plethora of opportunities for talented designers like yourself. Whether you're an aspiring artist or an experienced professional looking to expand your horizons, this video will guide you through the ins and outs of earning from online graphic design. Gone are the days when graphic designers were confined to traditional office spaces. With the rise of freelance platforms and remote work opportunities, you now have the flexibility to showcase your skills and connect with clients from all corners of the globe. The possibilities are endless, whether it's creating eye-catching logos, designing websites that leave a lasting impression, or crafting compelling visual content for social media campaigns. But what sets online graphic design apart from its offline counterpart? Well, let's dive into some key benefits that make pursuing a career in this field both rewarding and lucrative. So grab your stylus pen or fire up your favorite design software. We're about to embark on a journey that could potentially transform your creative passion into a thriving business venture. Ready? Let's get started. The benefits of pursuing a career in online graphic design. The world of online graphic design offers a plethora of benefits for those who choose to pursue it as a career. First and foremost, the flexibility that comes with working online allows designers to have more control over their schedule and workload. No longer confined to a traditional 9-to-5 job, online graphic designers can work from anywhere in the world, at any time that suits them best. Additionally, by working as an online graphic designer, you have access to a global marketplace of clients. With the rise of freelance platforms and social media networks dedicated to connecting freelancers with potential clients, there are endless opportunities for finding work and expanding your client base. Another benefit is the ability to showcase your creativity and unique style through your work. As an online graphic designer, you have the freedom to experiment with different styles and techniques without being limited by corporate guidelines or client preferences. Furthermore, pursuing a career in online graphic design allows you to constantly learn and grow professionally. With technology continuously evolving in this field, there are always new tools and software emerging that can enhance your skills and help you stay ahead in the industry. Pursuing a career in online graphic design provides numerous advantages such as flexibility, global reach, creative freedom, and continuous learning opportunities. If you have a passion for artistry combined with technical skills, then exploring this field could be the right path for you. Top platforms for finding freelance graphic design work. When it comes to finding freelance graphic design work online, there are several platforms that can help you connect with potential clients and showcase your skills. These platforms provide a convenient way for designers to market themselves and find new opportunities in the digital space. One of the top platforms for freelancers is Upwork. With millions of projects posted, Upwork offers a wide range of graphic design jobs for both beginners and experienced professionals. The platform allows you to create a profile highlighting your portfolio, skills, and experience, making it easier for clients to find you. Another popular platform is Fiverr. Known for its affordable services, Fiverr allows graphic designers to create gigs offering specific services at different price points. This platform gives freelancers the opportunity to build their reputation by completing smaller projects quickly while attracting more long-term clients. For those looking specifically for high-quality design work, 99 Designs is an excellent option. This platform focuses on connecting businesses with skilled designers through contests or direct commissions. It provides a competitive environment where designers can showcase their creativity and win projects based on their talent. Behance is another noteworthy platform that not only serves as an online portfolio but also connects designers with potential employers or collaborators worldwide. By creating an impressive Behance profile showcasing your best work, you can gain visibility among industry professionals seeking talented graphic designers. These are just a few examples of the many platforms available today that offer freelance opportunities in graphic design. Each has its own unique features and benefits, so exploring multiple options may be beneficial in finding the right fit for your skills and career goals. Tips for successfully marketing yourself as an online graphic designer. Marketing yourself as an online graphic designer is essential for attracting clients and building a successful freelance career. Here are some tips to help you effectively promote your skills and services. 1. Develop a strong online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your best work. Optimize it with relevant keywords and regularly update it to demonstrate your growth and capabilities. 2. Utilize social media platforms. Engage with potential clients on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn by sharing your work, insights, and industry-related content. Connect with other designers and participate in design communities to expand your network. 3. Showcase versatility in your portfolio. Highlight a diverse range of projects that showcase different styles and techniques you can offer clients. This demonstrates adaptability while appealing to a wider audience. 4. Offer exceptional customer service. Communicate promptly, professionally, and courteously with clients throughout the project process. Deliver high-quality work within agreed-upon timelines to build trustworthiness. 5. Seek client feedback. Encourage satisfied clients to provide testimonials or reviews that can be showcased on your website or social media profiles. Positive feedback adds credibility to your skills as an online graphic designer. 6. Network offline too. Attend industry events, conferences, workshops where you can meet potential clients face-to-face, network with other professionals in the field, and gain valuable insights from experts. By implementing these marketing strategies into your freelance business plan, you'll enhance visibility within the competitive world of online graphic design. Success stories and testimonials from successful online graphic designers. Many graphic designers have found great success in the online world, building thriving careers and earning a substantial income. Let's take a look at some inspiring success stories and testimonials from these talented individuals. One such designer is Sarah Thompson, who started her journey as an online graphic designer with just a few small projects. Through dedication and hard work, she honed her skills and built up an impressive portfolio. Today, she has clients from all over the world and earns a six-figure income. Another remarkable story comes from Michael Johnson, who turned his passion for design into a lucrative freelance career. By leveraging online platforms to showcase his work and actively marketing himself on social media channels, he attracted high-profile clients such as major brands and celebrities. Emily Collins is yet another example of someone who achieved tremendous success in the online graphic design industry. With her unique creative style and attention to detail, she quickly gained recognition within the design community. As word spread about her exceptional talent, more opportunities came knocking at her door. These success stories serve as inspiration for aspiring graphic designers looking to make their mark in the digital realm. They demonstrate that with determination, continuous self-improvement, effective marketing strategies, and delivering quality work consistently can lead to fulfilling careers in online graphic design. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience under your belt, there are countless opportunities waiting for you in this dynamic field. So take inspiration from these success stories and testimonials. Let them fuel your ambition to create stunning designs that captivate audiences worldwide. Remember that every successful designer had their own unique path to achievement. Find yours by constantly pushing yourself creatively while also staying true to your own artistic vision. Conclusion: is earning from online graphic design the right path for you? As we have explored in this article, the world of online graphic design offers immense opportunities and benefits. From the flexibility of working remotely to the potential for earning a substantial income, pursuing a career in online graphic design can be both rewarding and fulfilling. However, it is important to note that success in this field requires dedication, creativity, and continuous learning. Building a portfolio, marketing yourself effectively, and staying up to date with industry trends are all crucial steps towards establishing yourself as a reputable online graphic designer. If you are passionate about artistry and have a knack for visual communication, then venturing into the world of online graphic design may indeed be the right path for you. With determination and perseverance, there is no limit to what you can achieve in this dynamic and ever-evolving field. So take that leap of faith. Explore your creativity through various platforms available today. Join communities where like-minded individuals share their experiences and insights. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. And above all else, believe in your talent. Remember, your journey as an online graphic designer will be unique to you. So go ahead, unleash your artistic flair while building a successful career doing what you love most. Are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? The possibilities await. Start honing your skills today and witness firsthand how earning from online graphic design can transform not just your professional life but also ignite your passion for creating visually stunning masterpieces.